In this video, we will show the best air horns available to buy. At number 10. BASURI Air Horn Bus and Truck Only Twin Jumbo. This compact-size loud dual-tone air horn can fit easily on a boat, ATV, truck, bus, band other vehicles with a 12 and 24-volt electrical system. At number 9. Madcaps Air Horn. It is party items air horn. This loud air horn for matches, noisemakers or just to annoy the neighbor. Color of the product is red. At number 8. Partysanthe Air Horn Pump. It is easy to use, it is made from a plastic material. It will last forever and never runs out, no substitute gas canisters needed. At number 7. OSHOTTO NSKU 595 Stebel N Compact Twin Air Horn. It is compatible with every 12V electrical system including cars, trucks, motorcycles, ATVs, go-karts, golf carts, boats, tractors, snowmobiles. At number 6. BASURI Air Horn. It has sweet and melodious voice, it has high durability and reliability also and high-quality diaphragm and contact points for better performance. At number 5. Nikavi Universal Fit Auto Car Vehicle Horn. The Nikavi Vehicle Dual Snail Horn made from high-quality metal material with charming shape and finished by good work. At number 4. Hella Chrome Air Horn Kit. It is single-tone air horn 12 volts, current, 26 amps. It gives reliable performance with sound level, 115 dB. At number 3. Autosun 3-pipe air pressure DC horn. It is easy to fit increased life horn enhanced horn sound 3-pipe loud horn sound helps you overtake a lane from any vehicle ahead of you with horn installed in the vehicle. At number 2. Babygo Electric Loud MTB Bicycle Air Horn. It is easily installed and convenient use, 15.4-inch length of button wire, easy to mount on any place of the handlebar for convenient usage. At number 1. Lista Bicycle Air Horn. It has excellent performance, 140 decibels bicycle horn, super loud to attract passer-by and vehicles. 154-inch length of button wire, easily to mount on any place of the handlebar for convenient usage.